Hey guys, Sid here, and today we're going to talk about the TV and WatchOS updates from Apple's WWDC. So let's get straight into it. So there were a lot of news from the 2019 WWDC, and so this one is a part of a series of videos that I will be doing on the WWDC 2019. So in this one we are going to talk about the TVOS and the WatchOS updates only and save all the others for the next video. First we got the updates about the Apple TVOS, which is present in the Apple TV 4K box. The update allows for multi-user functionality, which means that we will get personalized uplinks and recommendations for the shows and movies. User switching is also very easy using the control panel. Also, this means Apple Music will have a personalized according to your music preferences. Along with that, there is also now a sync lyrics on Apple Music, similar to the ones seen on Spotify, Apple Prime Music and other music apps on the phone. But the biggest thing to note here is that this is available on the Apple TV 4K, whereas those are on mobile platforms. Another huge update is the support for both Xbox One X controller and the PlayStation DualShock 4 controllers. This is huge, especially with the Apple's game subscription service Apple Arcade around the corner. This will be awesome for gamers as they can use the controllers they are familiar with and don't have to learn the controls of a new controller. Moving on to the most portable Apple device, the Apple Watch. We have the Apple Watch OS 6 and it has some dope features up its strap. First up, we have new watch faces along with an hourly chime feature that plays a chime every hour along with vibration. The chime won't play while the watch is in silent mode. There are also new apps coming to the WatchOS, and they are the calculator and voice memos. While it also supports audio streaming API that allows for the option to listen to audiobooks and even listen to live or recorded playback of game commentaries. Another major update is that the watch apps are now independent of the phone, and thus there is an app store that allows you to download and install apps on the watch without an iPhone. Also now there is an extended runtime API that allows for the sensor data to be available longer, thereby enabling better analysis of the data. And now, along with hydration and sedentary apps, there is a new app called the Noise app, which is available on the watch and notifies you when the environment is too loud, thereby helping us to prevent hearing loss and impairments in the long run. Also, they have stated that the Noise app does not record any audio and that it only samples the noise levels periodically. So you don't have to be worried about being recorded by the watch. Another native app that is coming to the WatchOS is the Cycle that lets women track and monitor various aspects of their menstrual cycle. It also will calculate and give you a reminder as to when they will be most fertile. This will be a very good addition to the watch, as now the women can get all this on their wrist. But it is not limited to the watch, as this will also be available on the new iOS 13. Talking about iOS 13, which is the latest update of the iOS, we have some major and welcome changes to the OS this year, about all of which I will be talking in the next video. So if you disliked the video, you know where the button is, but if you liked it, do hit that thumbs up button. Check out similar content here and in the descriptions. And while you're down there, do leave your feedback in the comment section. And if you're new here, subscribe by hitting the red subscribe button below and turn on the notifications by hitting the bell icon so that you don't miss this great content. Until next time, peace.